Example 6 of 6.4, converting from rectangular form to polar form. First, we're going to start with some basic algebra. We have a circle here. It's a conic form with a center of 3, 2, and the radius of the square root of 13. Well, let's convert this to polar and confirm that it is indeed that circle. So the first thing we're going to do is just multiply everything out. So this is going to be x squared minus 6x plus 9, and then it's going to be plus y squared minus 4y plus 4 equals 13. We're going to group things a certain way for some substitutions coming up that you'll see in a moment. So I group my x squared and my y squared together, my x and my y terms together, and then the 9 and the 4 get me a 13 conveniently. I'm going to end up with them canceling out, so it's just going to be x squared plus y squared minus 6x minus 4y equals 0. Now, conveniently, x squareds and y squareds are grouped together, negative 6x and 4y, and this x squared, y squared, let's take a look. Right? X is equal to r cosine theta. Y's relationship is r sine of theta. And the radius here, that's its relationship, its Pythagorean relationship to the x and y. So we're going to do some substitutions. And x squared and y squared is going to be r squared. And that's going to be minus 6. X is cosine of theta. Or sorry, r cosine of theta. And y is r sine of theta. And notice everything has an r, so we can actually divide out an r from both sides, or multiply both sides by 1 over r. And so you'll have r minus 6 cosine of theta minus 4 sine of theta equals 0. If you want to solve for r, it's going to be r is equal to 6 cosine theta plus 4 sine of theta. And that is your polar equation for a circle with a center of 3, 2, and a radius of root 13. Let's put that in just to confirm. So it's going to be 6 cosine of theta plus 4 sine of theta, and then zoom square. So that's 5. Oh, that's a little bit. Gotta zoom out for what mine was. So zoom out, hit enter, and notice that's about right, right? It looks like the center is at 3, 2. And it does look like it has an approximate square root that's a little bigger than 3. I'm sorry, a radius a little bigger than 3. And that's it.